Hey guys. So have you ever packed your suitcase, feeling all excited for your trip, and boom, zipper breaks, handle stuck, the wheels? Oh my God, the wheels betray you like a bad ex. Yeah, I've been there, and it sucks. Hi, I'm James, and I've been through enough travel chaos to know that your luggage, it really matters. So, in today's video, I'm sharing the 5 best Samsonite luggage you can actually rely on in 2025. Quick note, this ain't some boring list. I've actually checked these out myself, compared real-world reviews, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it real with you. So, all the product link in the description. I have an Amazon and AliExpress $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit promowelt.com. So, grab a snack, or like your cat, let's go. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform 28-inch Large Luggage. So, this is the Samsonite Freeform 28-inch, and yeah, I'm impressed. First off, super light, like way lighter than it looks. I filled it with clothes, shoes, even a hairdryer, still rolled it with one hand. Wheels, smooth as butter, spun it around like a fidget spinner in the airport. The shell's solid, hard polycarbonate. Dropped it, no cracks, just a little scuff, whatever. Inside's roomy, 2 big compartments, nice straps, and that mesh zip divider thing. Packed for a 10-day trip, still had space. And a TSA lock is built in, so yeah, no tiny locks hanging around. Any cons? White, gets dirty. I mean, still looks cool, just not brand new forever. But overall, worth it. It's reliable, durable, and honestly makes travel less annoying. Links below if you want to check it out. Number 2. Samsonite Ondante 2 Travel Backpack. So, this backpack surprised me. Like, wasn't expecting it to be this roomy. Threw in jeans, couple tees, sneakers, even a hoodie, and it still had space. Felt kind of magical, honestly. The wet compartment? Didn't get it at first. Then my water bottle leaked. Lifesaver. No damage inside. Everything stayed dry. Straps feel good. Padded just right. Didn't dig into my shoulders, even after walking for, I don't know, 40 minutes. Zippers, thick, solid ones, like the kind you don't worry about snapping mid-trip. Click, click, smooth. Material's strong, too. Took it on a weekend trip, overstuffed it, dragged it around, threw it on the ground, still looks new. Well, mostly. One thing though, no laptop sleeve. I kinda wish it had one. I just wrapped mine in a hoodie and prayed. It worked. It's not really a school backpack or a quick errand kind of bag, but for travel, it's a win. Like real travel. Weekend getaway? Yes. Road trip? Also yes. Anyway, if you need a backpack that can take a beating and still fit your chaos, this one's kinda awesome. Number 3. Luggage with spinner wheels. You don't pull it behind you like old school. Just push it. Upright. Easy. Feels like gliding. Almost too easy, honestly. Wheels are solid. 360 spin. Doesn't jam even on like rough airport floors. Had to rush once, turned a sharp corner, no tipping, no drama. Shell's tough, super lightweight but not cheap feeling. I've checked it in a few times, still looks newish, just a couple dangs, nothing wild. The inside, organized, 2 main compartments. Also expands, so overpacking, totally covered. Zippers are thick, feel strong, doesn't snag. Built-in TSA lock, yep, just set it and forget it. Only thing, the handle, it's a bit plasticky, but works fine. Goes up, down, locks in. Honestly, if you hate dragging luggage, this is a good one. Spinner wheels really do make a difference. Number 4. Samsonite Winfield 2 Hardside Expandable Luggage. Hard shell, yeah, but not too heavy. You lift it and it's like, wait, that's it? Strong though. Doesn't dent easy. Took a few airport beatdowns and still looks good. The wheels? Smooth. Spinner style. Just glides. Even on weird bumpy floors. You barely push it, it just rolls with you. And yeah, it expands. Not by a lot, but enough. You shop too much? Boom, zip it out. Done. Zippers feel strong. Doesn't snag. TSA lock built in, which, honestly, lifesaver. Inside, dividers, pockets, zipped sections. Like, everything stays where it should. no mess. Only thing, maybe it shows smudges, that glossy finish, you know? But wipe it, clean again. So yeah, it's kinda perfect for frequent flyers, or like weekend trips. Looks modern, feels tough, just works. Number 5. Carry-on luggage with spinner wheels. So recently I got my hands on this Samsonite Freeform Hardside spinner. Yeah, big name, I know. But let me tell you, it's not just fancy words. First off, these spinner wheels, man, they're smooth. Like you barely have to push and the bag just glides next to you. I swear, it's like it has a mind of its own. You know when you're rushing through the airport juggling bags and coffee? Yeah, this thing makes it way easier. Plus, it's hard shell, so if you're like me and tend to overpack and maybe throw your bag around a bit, this one's tough. It kind of shrugs off scratches and dents like a champ. Oh, and it expands a little, which is super clutch for those last-minute souvenirs or just extra stuff you didn't plan for. Inside, it's organized too. There's pockets and straps so your stuff doesn't go all crazy. I hate digging around for socks in the dark. Honestly, I wasn't expecting to love it this much, but yeah, this carry-on with spinner wheels is a game changer for hassle-free travel. All right, I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out for yourself. Trust me, if you travel even once a month, this might just be your new best friend. Catch you later.